Welcome! In front of me I have XIAOMI Watch S4 and I'm gonna show you how to change the screen timeout duration on this watch. First, we need to wake up the screen on our watch, and you can do it by pressing any of the buttons. After you wake up the screen, press the crown button to open the menu. Then scroll through the menu and find the settings icon, and once you find it, tap on it to enter the settings. In settings, find the option called display, and once you find it, tap on it, and here you should see the option called auto lock. Tap on it, and right here we have the list of durations. We have 5 seconds, 10, 20 seconds, 30, 60 seconds, and 300. So select the one you like. For example, I'm gonna select 10 seconds, and then tap on the check mark to confirm. So my screen should turn off automatically after 10 seconds of inactivity. So if I won't touch the buttons or the screen for 10 seconds, the screen should turn off to save the power, and should be right around now. Yeah, and that's how you change the screen timeout duration on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.